This is Global Village in Dubai, where you can find every country's culture, tradition, and pavilion. The first pavilion in Global Village is Turkey. Turkey's pavilion, very beautiful. All of the Turkey's traditional stuff is available here, including restaurants and customs. This beautiful train which runs in Istanbul.
Baklava. Baklava means sweet, and they have like different mixtures of pista, chocolate, pistachio, all kinds of like pistava. So this one is
Turkish. This is Jordan Pavilion, Global Village, Pavilion number 2. This is Pavilion number 3, Russia Pavilion. Pavilion number 4, Iraq, here, inside. This is Pavilion number 5, Pakistan Pavilion. This is Pavilion number 6, the UAE, United Arab Emirates, the main place in Britain. More zalta mana yara. This is another beautiful pavilion of whole Europe continent. All of the Europe you can find in this one beautiful continent, pavilion. This is Europe Pavilion in Global Village, Pavilion number 7. Sangaze? This is Pavilion number 8 for Americas, whole America continent. Beautiful Thailand pavilion here in Global Village. Marada makita. This is another pavilion for Syria. Very beautiful. Here in Global Village. मतलब हल्का फुल्का पकड़ देगा. Another beautiful pavilion for Afghanistan. This is the beautiful pavilion for Lebanon. This is African pavilion in the Global Village. Very beautiful, all the heritage and so many things to see. So many things to see in this African pavilion here in Global Village.
زوردم خواته भारत
And that's incredible India pavilion here in Global Village. That's it, the beauty.
चे वाला तो गोरा ये चवट तेरे को
Idi mane cha jodi kidi mi khud.
ये तो कौन सावड़े
ಬರೀ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
मंगला नहीं होना बस इलारा
This Global Village tour in Dubai was amazing. It requires at least 4 hours to explore all the pavilions and all the places inside the Global Village. And it is a must to see place in Dubai. Thank you very much for watching this video.